And one thing I came to realize hata nikichukua namba ya mtu ama nichukue their Instagram handle, we definitely cannot talk more. Hata nikwambie okay, we'll talk more on WhatsApp ama Instagram. Uongo inakuwa ngumu. That is something nimepata ngumu sana. Like, unless ni biashara penye najua I will definitely ini kitu yenye itani benefit in the long run.
Yeah,
unaona
sasa how things have changed. Like actually now that comes with adulting. Ile ya right now unaona like if we have a friendship it has to have an impact. It has to have an impact.
Ndio maana watu waongeangi hivyo sana.
Ndio maana sasa right now unapata watu wanasemanga I understand if I gave you my number and you didn't text me or you didn't call me. If we usually text but right now atutextingi sana ama we go months without talking and we can still meet and catch up. People are busy. People are taking different paths. Don't expect the same path that you are in ni the same path yenye someone else is in. Juu say maybe me and you tukiwa back in campus used to text every time we are catching up. No, I'm just saying as an example. And then like sasa right now like that isn't happening. It's because we have taken different paths. Maybe wewe unaendanga job, acha tutumie example different. Mimi naendanga job
Suniombe mazuri.
So maybe unaendanga job and your schedule is very strict, like unamka morning,
unarudi kama umechoka.
Ukirudi tu kwa nyumba unataka tu freshen up nini uangalie updates ulale. Mimi on the other hand kazi yangu haitaki na ni mingi sana ama probably I'm not employed. You know, so niko idle most of the times. I have more free time nini and now I expect you to have time for me. Nikikutext ukose kujibu inakuwa a lot.
Inakuwa nika disrespect.
Bana watu wa understand people are busy.